In today's show, the Bitcoin price will double in 6 months, says billionaire investor Mike Novogratz in his most recent interview with CNBC. He's quoted saying, "This is the year for Bitcoin, and if it doesn't go up now, I might just hang up my spurs." He also goes on to include Bitcoin will double in the next 6 months and retest the old highs of $20,000 by the end of the year. I'm going to be giving you all the juicy details and highlights of this interview here in today's show. Also, in today's episode, CoinMarketCap opens up on the Binance acquisition, just in case you've been living under a rock. CoinMarketCap is being acquired by the Binance CEO, Changpeng Zhao, for $400 million. All the juicy details I'm going to be covering with you here in today's show. Also, in today's episode, veteran trader says Bitcoin to target $8,400 after posting a big-time bull break. We'll be taking a look at what some popular crypto analysts, including Big Sheds, has to share, Raoul Pal, as well as veteran trader Peter Brandt, who just tweeted, "Just a matter of perspective, but best classical chart labeling, likely an ascending triangle with target at $8,400. We'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, all the major cryptos are pumping once again and in the green. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right down below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of the day. The Bitcoin price will double in 6 months, says billionaire investor Mike Novogratz. So he says this is the year for Bitcoin. Speaking to CNBC's closing bell last night, as the Dow closed up 534 points, Novogratz was encouragingly bullish on Bitcoin. He pointed out that for the first time, high net worth individuals and hedge fund investors are getting into Bitcoin. He said, "This is the year for Bitcoin, and if it doesn't go up now, I might just hang up my spurs." And I'll include this 1-minute exclusive interview with Mike Novogratz and CNBC in the show notes below the video in the description, so you can check it out and hear it directly from the horse's mouth. But back to the highlights. Let's go. Novogratz also points to the fact that Bitcoin is a hard asset and that we are starting to see real flows into it. He briefly brought up the trillions of dollars in quantitative easing that's going on and how untenable that situation is. Here's what he said: "Money doesn't grow on trees. Right now, it feels like we crossed the Rubicon where everyone feels money grows on trees. I don't think the Fed's doing the wrong thing. It's just that we're going to debase the value of fiat." And when asked for hard numbers, he said that Bitcoin should at least double within 6 months. If it doesn't, he may just hang up his spurs. Pretty interesting, right? So what's up with the turn on previous predictions? Well, as a major investor in the space, the Galaxy Digital CEO is historically bullish on Bitcoin. He was among the first to confirm a new bull market just under 1 year ago and predicted that Bitcoin would reach a new all-time high in 2019. However, after the brutal sell-off 2 weeks ago, Novogratz told Anthony Pompliano in an interview, and shout out to Pomp, that crypto adoption would likely suffer a setback of 12 to 18 months due to investors needing fiat. But that was 2 weeks ago, and before the U.S. Congress approved a $2 trillion coronavirus stimulus deal, which we covered in great detail in yesterday's show. That may have bolstered the stock market, but as Novogratz pointed out, it will eventually debase fiat. As more and more people wonder where all this helicopter money is coming from, now's the time for Bitcoin to shine. Touche. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree with Mike Novogratz that Bitcoin will test a new all-time high in approximately 12 months, retesting that $20,000 all-time high from 2017? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And now for our next story of the day, CoinMarketCap opens up on the Binance acquisition. Executives of CoinMarketCap have released an open letter discussing the Binance acquisition. In it, soon-to-be CEO Carolyn Chan seeks to reassure users that the website will remain independent and will put greater efforts into offering more services. Check it out. The reportedly $400 million purchase came as a surprise to the crypto community, yet Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has stated that a deal had been in the works for a few months. In the letter, Chan addresses a number of concerns that the website users may have. Most notably, she discusses fears that CMC may no longer operate independently. She states, CoinMarketCap will continue to be run independently as an independent entity from Binance. Decisions will be made according to the best interest of CoinMarketCap, meaning that we'll continue to develop products and services that benefit CoinMarketCap users and continue working with partners and customers in a way that benefits them and brings the greatest value to them. Chan also lists a number of new services that are under deployment. These include enabling user registration, as well as the creation of watch lists and individual portfolios. A number of new data types may also soon be available. Brandon Shez, CMC's founder and current CEO, also announced in a separate letter that he's stepping down and will begin a transition to an advisory role. So CoinMarketCap clearly at a crossroads. It may not be the same as we know it ever again. When Shez founded CoinMarketCap in 2013, it was the only player in the crypto data space. Today, there's no shortage of competition. Dozens of websites and apps offer highly detailed info on all things crypto. Thus, CoinMarketCap must innovate in order to remain the go-to player for research and analytics. And I hope this isn't a conflict of interest. I mean, the Binance CEO is going to own the #1 most popular crypto analytics website where we go to search for prices. It seems a little sketchy to me, but we'll see how they play it out. Importantly, over the past year, critics have accused CoinMarketCap of providing unreliable data. The website relies largely on exchange self-reporting, which has resulted in widely inaccurate liquidity and volume statistics. In fact, by some accounts, as much as 95% of all crypto volume numbers are manipulated or false. CoinMarketCap has acknowledged this problem and has created protocols to help improve reporting, but the challenge remains. Data reliability issues notwithstanding, the new ownership by Binance is unlikely to cause serious concerns in the long term, so they say. The exchange has a reputation for transparency and is widely trusted by most crypto investors. I know I check CoinMarketCap every single day. How about yourself? More notably is the fact that more than enough data, alternative data services now exist should CMC fail to deliver on its promise of independence, and that's a fact. There's definitely no shortage of competition out there. So what do you think? Do you think CoinMarketCap will remain independent after the acquisition, or do you think it'll be watered down by the Binance CEO? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before we get to our next story of the day, veteran trader, Bitcoin to target 8,400 after posting big time bull break. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, we had a nice surge in liquidity just yesterday. Most of the major cryptos are still in the green. Bitcoin up 3.4%, trading above that $6,900 support. We've already hit $7,200, $7,300 level before it corrected back down to where we're currently at. Ethereum up 6%, trading at $145. Miss Litecoin up 3.8%, trading at $40. BSV up 7%, trading at $180. BCH up 5%, trading at $238. Link is up 2.3%, trading at $2.35. XRP up 3.3%, trading at 18 cents. So as you can see, most of the major cryptos are still pumping as I'm recording this right now. All right, and back to one of our last stories here. In a jarring early morning movement, Bitcoin blew past the resistance it was previously facing with the upper 6,000 region, with this rally allowing the bulls to significantly bolster their near-term technical situation. Analysts are now widely noting that the strength of this movement is likely to lead it significantly higher, with short positions getting punished. One prominent veteran trader is now noting that he believes Bitcoin is poised to rally all the way towards 8,400 in the near term, as it just confirmed a highly bullish technical pattern. Bitcoin sees explosive movements as the bulls catalyze massive upside. At this time, Bitcoin is trading just under 13% at its current price of 7,000, which makes a notable climb from the daily lows of 6,200 that were set during its bout of sideways trading with the lower $6,000 region. Analysts are now widely noting that Bitcoin is well positioned to see a continuance of the upside that was catalyzed by this movement, with Big Sheds, a popular crypto analyst, categorizing this move as a big-time bull break that is punishing shorts. At least that's what he shared on crypto Twitter. He originally wrote this 21 hours ago. Bitcoin daily, the bulls are pushing, testing recent supply area of 7,000. And then he went on to include Bitcoin daily chart, big-time bull break, shorters are getting punished. And he included this chart, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. While looking at the chart, Ched's references, it does appear that the crypto is in the process of piercing its upper Bollinger Band on its daily chart, with that in itself potentially acting as a bullish catalyst. Veteran trader targets move to 8,400 as Bitcoin posts bullish breakout. Peter Brandt, veteran trader and highly respected analyst, explained in a recent tweet that Bitcoin's latest upswing has allowed it to break above what appears to be an ascending triangle, with classical charting suggesting that this breakout could lead the crypto to rally up towards 8,400 in the near term. Taking a look at his actual tweet, here's what he included, and I'll include this graph in the show notes below the video in the description. And let's check out some of the replies to this analysis. Weren't you calling Bitcoin a bear flag last week? Things change fast in the crypto market. That's all I got to say. Jack wrote, Peter Brandt, you said it was going to 50,000, then warned it might go under 1,000. That's a pretty wide target range, champ. And then some people responded, he understands that Bitcoin markets are illiquid. We dropped to the 3.6 the other day, and most people realized there weren't many spot orders that low, and the BitMEX market almost made Bitcoin go to zero. So I'm pretty sure 1,000 and 50,000 can definitely happen. And then Jack responded, so are you saying Peter's commentary that Bitcoin could go to 50,000 or 1,000 is useful? I'm not sure what your point is. And he responded, my point is that he understands Bitcoin market is illiquid. Don't take it personal, right? And taking a look at this tweet from Raoul Pao, he wrote, caveat, I'm a terrible short-term trader, but the Bitcoin chart looks like a nice wedge with a breakout about 7,000. Maybe the low is in. I thought a retest was likely, but not so sure. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. During Bitcoin's uptrend in January, 7,700 was a key level that proved to be difficult to surmount, with the break above this price being a point at which some analysts noted the bull market began. If this uptrend does lead Bitcoin to 8,400, it is possible that the crypto will soon kick off its next bull market. So let me pose the question, are you ready for Bitcoin's next official bull market leading into the halving? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And now checking out the overall cryptocurrency market cap, we're sitting at $195 billion with 153 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current BTC dominance, the same as yesterday, 65.5%. And taking a look at the top gainers within the top 100, we have Swipe up 126%. Holy moly, trading at 85 cents. Steam up 17%, trading at 19 cents. Synthetics Network up 11%, trading at 69 cents. Monero up 10%, trading at $54. Nano up 9%, trading at 55 cents. And Ren up 8%, trading at 5 cents. And now for the biggest losers, Energy down 8%, trading at $2.17. Bitcoin down 4.8%, trading at 0.0002. Icon down 3%, trading at 24 cents. And then we have a stablecoin, Status Euro, down 1%, trading at $1.08, and Seal down 1.3%, trading at 5 cents. And then another stablecoin, Unsaid Leo, down 1%, trading at $1.04. And now checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are back in control, leading with about 27 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 50.49% versus 49.51% shorts. Are you currently bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And now checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, one of my favorite indicators, shows we're currently rated a 14 in extreme fear. Yesterday was a 14. And last week was an 8 in extreme fear, and last month was a 38 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And now checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. Let's go. 40 days 3 hours, 39 minutes, and 44 seconds remaining to the estimated date of the block reward halving, set to be May 13th. And this is tentative. This can change according to the block reward. That's why we are counting down the block rewards. You know what I mean? And that can change by the day. I remember a few weeks ago, the estimated date of the Bitcoin halving was May 11th. So it can change. Just do note that. Are you bullish or bearish leading up to this critical event? I know we have a mix in the crypto market. Some analysts are very bearish. They believe we're going to test new lows for the year. And then there's those who are very bullish, who feel we will test new all-time highs for the year, like I covered with you earlier, Mike Novogratz, who was just recently interviewed by CNBC. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. I agree with Mike Novogratz that we will retest new all-time highs this year. I think it's inevitable. And next year, my personal opinion, Bitcoin will reach potentially 6 figures, a 6-digit Bitcoin. Could you imagine $100,000 per BTC? That's what I'm talking about. Drop me a comment right down below. Let me know what you think is likely to happen to the Bitcoin price as a result of this Bitcoin block reward halving. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more in the description below for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all of the videos here on my channel. I also include some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This allows you to download the latest episode of every show. Also, subscribe on YouTube if you haven't yet already done so. Please help support the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Also, we can be found on all the major podcasting platforms, including Apple's iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So whichever podcasting platform you're active on, please help support the show. It's greatly appreciated. You can also receive daily crypto news alerts on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group. To become a part of it, simply click this link and request to join. I'll be sure you get plugged in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat, which I'm very active on. To become a part of this, simply click this link specifically from a mobile device and you'll automatically be added. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right down below this video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.